We got proposed broker regs all the way back in August of 2023, and then the IRS released final broker regs in at the end of June of 2024. And if you go through and you count all the pages that they released of all the different final regs, including additional materials that came along with it, it's over 400 pages. And so there's a lot of information there. And it's just, really difficult to capture every single instance because, there are going to be edge cases, and no matter what, there are going to be questions whenever, 400 plus pages are released like that. So I would say, right now, one thing that is positive in those broker reporting regs that the industry has kind of reacted to is that the definition of a broker has been reduced pretty narrowly, at least for the information that was released in June. And basically, I'm oversimplifying it, but a broker in these final regs that was released in June, simply someone that is a custodian. So those non-custodial brokers that were talked about in those proposed regs in August of 2023, not in scope for these final regs. Although I will say that the IRS has come out and said that they plan to imminently provide final regs for those non-custodial brokers. We're still waiting on that information. There's kind of been reports floating around that the IRS will issue those final regs on those non-custodial brokers by the end of the calendar year. So still TBD on what that's going to look like for non-custodial brokers. But as of right now, just custodial brokers. And it's kind of simplified things a little bit for taxpayers as well, because they know and they can know where to expect these 1099 DAs to be coming from.